Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of our videos. We are still here in Fort Portal at Mabere Ganyinamwiru here in Uganda. So guys, let's take a look at this wonderful lime water flow here at Mabere Ganyinamwiru in Fort Portal, Uganda. Let's take a look. Yeah, so guys, this water is not so deep. Actually, people usually come in here and you can take a bath, you can sit in, and actually walk even behind there. So this is an amazing view. As you can see, it's surrounded by a thick bush. So basically here, that's where you can go and have a wonderful view, a wonderful experience.